Seen a video trending online of a guy be a orange Jeep. Jeep
Wrangler.
Or a JEEP.
Yeah.
Wrangler. I think that's the favorite car of Hammer of the last two. Yeah. And again, when the boy be vast their gifts and why catch a girl BB. But before we get into the conversation, let's watch the video.
Boy. Alama.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Beautiful people, welcome to the channel. What Fraha Paco Rich Studios, and as usual, yeah, the content, what is trending in Ghana, talk of the towns, all the trend will Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, yes, bro. And today I'm doing that with my brother.
Yeah, man.
PKB. I say
P
what
to
they
the
happened.
P.
What they happened. So I have seen a video trending online of a guy be a orange Jeep. Jeep
Wrangler.
Or a JEEP.
Yeah.
Wrangler. I think that's the favorite car of Hammer of the last two. Yeah. And again, when the boy be vast their gifts and why catch a girl BB. But before we get into the conversation, let's watch the video. Nayanko PKB one on briefly and exactly what really happened and baby are someone else to see. And see yansha video in Yambra.
Ned Johnson, boy. Ned Johnson, boy. Boy. Alama. Lama me ba. Yeah. Try a compare.
Oh, beautiful. I'm sure they're on video. On PKB.
I see.
You see the video. I want full information. I settings. I don't know a setup. I don't know a configuration.
I see.
Just give me the vibe. What's really this one they look like?
Okay, so this one credit going out to Sika Official. I've been paid till we pick this.
Yeah, man.
And the way caption, I'm safe, crime, I'm vex. I'm vex.
What be the caption?
Because it go like a young Ghanaian student at the University of Mines and Technology, Tarkwa, has won at love. We win at love. Won
For
at
what?
love.
For doing what?
For getting the ultimate gift, a beautiful black Jeep Wrangler for the Valentine's Day celebration.
No, you must be here. You see what somebody do. But anyway, like yo,
Charlie.
Jeep Wrangler for a babe.
Jeep Wrangler for a babe.
Settings are now the setup and the configurations.
Full configurations. You're a full setup.
Full setup.
Because
What be your reason? I will reason it then.
I know the bab. The girl don't know how they drive. Say you go buy a Jeep.
Get in him car.
Oh, him driving.
And I walk to Jeep, man.
Utie again. Totina care no the fly the two cheddar. Almost catching on Rev crack. On Rev car crack. On him the almost friendly Rev. Guys, so she doesn't know anything about cars, bro. Bro, why do you wake up to go buy Jeep Wrangler on Vast Day?
Check up and raise the bar.
I say, where is the bar? No.
But pick up your young here, so I was there. Can question.
Oh, there be new
But it's your settings.
Your settings. Your full settings.
they feed or your boy in a car be a wato.
That's a Tarkwa mines in it.
But to buy possible that boy in a car be a wato. Nah, I present in a day, no damn a girl. Nah, chere, ma bond and Uncle Sally driving, also I'm driving my babe's car. Or boy, the car. And now, so I had other sets and now. Ebiano will paddy be a car dealer binaze. No, I catch a Wrangler. Woman or the aqua swap, I catch a vet. So my babe say the car is too big for her.
So she wants a smaller car. Mattis Day, leave it alone. Mattis Day.
Ebe Mattis Society. From Wrangler to Mattis. Ebe. Wrangler to Mattis Day, brother. Settings to the year.
I know you.
But do you think it's necessary for men to go all out there to get Inyama Bidam for girls on Val's Day?
Yeah, if I think it makes sense when maybe you
not for a wife, but a girlfriend.
Like girlfriend.
Yeah.
Well, Charlie, it all depends on the impact of the lady in your life. You understand? Maybe it be girlfriend, boyfriend level, but maybe the things where the girl bring into in life too. Maybe it be positive vibes. You understand? And enough resources there where you go pull up some range or some Wrangler for him. Fine, fair enough. It be cool, but Charlie, the pressure be too much.
But
my more boys living. I say chocolates and flyers. You know,
because
Charlie, I was say the two.
Because I see some boy share for boy and I don't know the better again. Because I have vast identity. Boy, you know, go buy soap. Soap be now our friend a live boy, you say.
Live boy, yeah.
Yeah, red one.
Live boy.
Say they won't show him, say they love him, they love everything about him, so they care for his skin.
Skincare.
With your colleagues, they buy Jeep.
You see you.
I went nominated to seminar.
This seminar.
A guy like that, they for call him Semenshia. But ideally, PKB, I will pay to be them our girl on the vast day and cabas at about time.
And the vast day. Oh,
yeah.
It's my private jets,
private jets. Well, I don't mind buying a Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce. For my bae. But anyway, I mean, vast day, I think about for a year, yeah, but people, they do things.
Oh, yes.
And I'm sure some of the gifts that men will only receive here, sex.
Singlets, na boxers, na sex.
Sex, and I could say
triple S.
The end in section, because from course I to a couple of pharmacies and condoms are look down.
Oh, look down, I see.
And I like it because me one celebrating as one of my letters, the HIV is on the rise. And so I think it's good. There, people protect. They wear rubbers. Yeah. To one for that tonight. If it's not on, it's not in.
It's not in.
And then if you they ride a car where the car no be your own, make sure say you wear helmet.
Before wear helmet, very important.
If and you bring what to be in a car. This evening, you go move somebody in ride. Where the ride no be your own. Maybe be your first time you they pull the ride, bro. They should put on what?
Helmet. Wear helmet too. Oh God, wear helmet too.
She helmet too. They cannot be your own. Oh. But baby, I never buy Rolls Royce, so they cannot be your own. Oh. Wear helmet. And this message is not about cars.
No. Or motor. No.
If you know,
you know.
You understand?
If you don't know.
And so, Yambeg is settings man up. UMaT, University of Mines and Technology. Girl, congrats. If it's really true, no, your settings that. Congrats. We don't care whether the Jeep is a second hand or it's a brand new one.
Once a car.
A Jeep, no sounds so black. But one phone called driving school. Kakra ai. Inka beginner will get alone in car kazi. Inka starting with skates and now BB them.
Maybe a
Wrangler. All right. So if there's any driving school in Tarkwa, they should pick up that lady now, one channel driving. But I think tonight it's going to be a good night.
Tonight is gonna be a good night.
A lot of action they go on.
Charlie, people started finish for town safe. If you pass place,
Where come for Friday too.
come for Friday.
Where tomorrow be Saturday. Sunday.
It's a long weekend, and it's
Long
Monday morning.
week.
You know?
But then a guy, our girlfriend, Ketchodo, I'm having issues with my battery. Where are they? The network, they mess up. Then things. My phone will be off this evening because we'll be going to church, a church program. Brother Wunde was a word of a call. Did they carry him go? Trip, Royal Senche, Maha Beach Resort, long trips.
Aqua.
Friday,
Chill.
Saturday, Sunday, you know. Jetezin Kwatsing.
Yeah, I'm tired.
That'll be that thing. And so, Charlie, your last word for people who are going to hang up this weekend.
Yeah, I mean, Charlie, happy birthday to everybody, to all our audience out there. Charlie, we'd appreciate it. Without you guys, we're not good here. So the Valentine, make you guys chop them well for us. You understand?
Proper.
You chop them out there, you can do here, subscribe and enjoy the entire vibe. We're there for you. Then can share your stories. If you can share about stories with us in the comment section, we could all go all with them. I mean, you know, yeah, basically.
All right, guys. So we'll leave you in the good faith of Friday.
Yeah,
night.
Friday. Val's Day,
One
Friday.
chill, but don't freeze.
Don't freeze.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, let people get to know that we have some goodies here. Parkour Rich Studios.
Yeah, man.
And more fire.
Yeah, peace.
We're out of here.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.